Welcome to this professional review of the AZDOME M550 Pro dash camera, available now on Aliexpress. This advanced dash cam is designed to make your driving experience safer and smarter. It features ultra-high-definition 4K recording, 5.8 GHz wireless connectivity, and built-in global positioning system tracking. The AZDOME M550 Pro supports up to 3 video channels. You can choose from the following configurations. Front camera only, recording at 4K resolution, which is 3840 by 2160 pixels. Front and rear cameras, recording at 4K plus 1080p resolution. Front and interior cabin cameras, recording at 2K plus 1080p resolution. Or front, rear, and interior cameras, recording at 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. Thanks to the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the transmission speed is 4 to 6 times faster than traditional 2.4 GHz. You can download an 800 megabyte video in just 10 seconds, making file transfers fast and efficient. The built-in global positioning system records your driving route, speed, latitude, and longitude. This data can be viewed using the AZDOME GPS player, providing valuable evidence in case of emergencies or accidents. For night driving, the dashcam features infrared night vision, powered by the Novatec 8629G processor, and advanced sensors including SC401AI, GC2053, and SC223A. This ensures clear and detailed recording in both day and night conditions. The camera includes a 3.19-inch in-plane switching screen, offering wide viewing angles and sharp image quality. It also comes with a free 64GB secure digital card. Please remember to format the card before first use to ensure optimal performance. The 24-hour parking monitor offers 2 modes: collision detection mode, where the G-sensor locks the video upon impact, and time-lapse recording mode, which continuously records for 24 hours while saving storage space. If you are looking for a high-performance dash camera with multi-channel recording, fast wireless transfer, GPS tracking, and infrared night vision, the AZDOME M550 Pro is an excellent choice.